A child just turned 10. This is when it all begins. In this society, as soon as a child reaches 10 years of age, the parents take the child to a neuroclinic hospital. In the neuroclinic, the doctor implants the brain chip into the child. The brain chip allows the child to have an AI assistant that assists them personally in daily circumstances. Soon, the child starts to do everything using the AI. The AI solves math problems for him and writes a whole paragraph. At first, it feels like a relief. But slowly, the child starts overusing the AI. Thinking becomes unnecessary as the AI does everything for the child. It chooses his clothes, food, and even daily conversations. The child stops making critical decisions and stops questioning himself until one day the voice is gone. The child cannot receive help and answers do not appear anymore. It is as if his world has ended. The child doesn't know what to do after years of using the AI. He breaks into tears, realizing the consequences of his actions.